This RE/MAX Realtec Group property video is presented by Christine Perkins. Spacious second-floor condo with 1 bedroom, 1 bath and an office den. Open floor plan with hardwood floors, ceiling fans and lots of windows. Kitchen has breakfast bar, walk-in pantry and separate utility room with full-size washer and dryer. Large master bedroom is carpeted with oversized walk-in closet. This lovely resort-style gated community has all the amenities of resort living, yet is close to major highways, shopping, schools, restaurants and the world-famous Innisbrook Golf Club. The community features 2 heated pools, a spa, fitness center, billiard room, business center, playground, tennis courts and clubhouse. Sorry, no smoking permitted. 1 pet permitted up to £20 with a $300 refundable deposit, proof of license. Shots and rent.